If I was your rich best friend, these would be my rules. Rule number 1, you're never paying for anything. If I see you reach for your wallet, I'm calling security. Rule number 2, we don't wait in lines, ever. If there's a wait list, we own the place now. Rule number 3, if your outfit's mid, I'm replacing your entire closet. No questions asked. You're walking out designer by accident. Rule number 4, you want Robux? Say less. I'll send enough to buy a whole Game Pass empire. Rule number 5, when we go out, you're not my friend, you're my VIP guest. They better treat you like royalty or I'm buying the restaurant. Rule number 6, if your ex texts you, I'm replying for you from my verified account. Sorry, they've upgraded. Rule number 7, you don't need a job. Your full-time role is rich best friend assistant. Salary, unlimited vibes. Rule number 8, if you're sad, we're flying somewhere random. Oh, you're heartbroken. Boom, Hawaii. But would you want me as your rich best friend?